Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to find the IP address of your Android mobile phone. So first of all you have to open up the settings of your phone. So I will scroll down and I will click on settings here, and then you will click on my phone here, and if you scroll down you can actually see the IP address of my phone here. Okay, you can also see the Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so in some cases this option is not here. In some cases you need to actually scroll down and find the about device or about this phone option, and then you have to find the a status option here, and then you will find the IP address of your phone. Okay, so it depends upon the phone, and if you and if your phone contains the search bar like this, you will actually search for the IP address. So I will actually type here IP address and I will search, and I think that it will allow me to search for this. Okay, let's wait and let's check that if it's a search for it or not. Okay, so I guess that it is not useful and it is not searching for this, but you will find the IP address of your phone in the my phone option, or if you scroll down you will see here option which is like about device, and you have to click on this. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.